In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of unbinding DJI Drone from your account. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. You might want to unbind a DJI Drone from your account to transfer ownership or link it to a new account for better management. To begin, open the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, you will be greeted with the main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, then navigate to the Profile section. Once you enter the Profile section, a menu will appear with several options related to your account and device settings. From this menu, select Device Management. This section allows you to manage the devices connected to your DJI account. Within Device Management, you will find an option labeled Value Added Service. Tap on this option to view important details, including your controller's serial number and the remote controller's ID. These details are essential if you need to verify device information or troubleshoot connectivity issues. After reviewing this information, go back to the Account and Device section. Here, you will notice an option called Bound To, which displays the devices currently linked to your account. Tapping on this option will provide detailed information about device binding, including which accounts or devices are connected. Once you've reviewed the binding information, tap Next to proceed. This will take you to a confirmation page where you can verify your account and device details. On this page, you'll see your registered email ID. Carefully review this information to ensure accuracy, then click Confirm to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the DJI Fly app to manage your device information with ease. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.